So what we're going to demonstrate now is the difference that the smooth ball versus the split ball makes. So as you can see here, this is a split ball valve. It has a split in it, so that way as you start to open the ball valve, the pressure of the water moving through assists in the opening or the closing of the line. This was designed for when we changed the higher pressure nozzles, they needed assistance in opening the bail. The problem with that split ball is that when it's in the fully open position, now that sits in the bottom of the waterway, creates quite a bit of turbulence. So I'm going to demonstrate the stream quality with this line and this tip. A lot of people will assume that going with a bigger tip, a longer tip, will help clean that line up. But I'm going to show you how much a difference the ball valve makes. This nozzle, you can see it's just a solid ball valve. You can see that there's no bifurcation in it, no split. Open all the way up, it's just a straight pipe. There's no disruption in the waterway, it's clean all the way through. So I'm going to demonstrate with this nozzle and a much shorter tip so that you can see that really the biggest difference in that stream quality is the ball valve, not necessarily the tip. So we'll flow both these lines. We're flowing the 1 1/8" tip now, 50 psi for the nozzle. At the 1 1/8" tip, we're flowing 266 gallons per minute. So we run our friction loss right about 15 pounds. We'll dial it in, but we'll make sure we have a side-by-side comparison to these two nozzles with the ball valve. Solid ball, split ball. So can you see here the ball valve is all the way open. We're at the correct pressure. We have a good smoothbore tip on this. Okay? And you can see the disruption in the stream quality. It's not smooth. To the ear, you can even hear it. It has a lot of chatter to it. So we're flowing good line, but our reach, you can see our effective reach, it's just a chattery line. Alright, so here we are, exact same pressure. We have lesser of a tip, that stream is being straightened out by a smaller tip, but we've changed to the ball valve and you can see the stream quality. Much more